And now we are officially in shop number 2, the mechanic shop. There's my brother, Ben Thomas, mechanic. The lift doesn't quite fit under those dumb bars, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way and just use the old creeper. What is this machine called?
That's the sandblaster.
Sandblaster. More tools of the trade. More tools. More tools. Got safety glasses on. I can grab wrenches. I'm pretty good at that stuff. That's what I'm saying. If you get under there and just, if you ain't the right one, let me know. Instead of crawling in and out, you got a bad back. You're not as young as you used to be. That's all right. I'll add that out. Brand new wheel balancer, hardly off the crate, not even off the crate, never been used. This is where Uncle Ben rebuilt the Mustang. More stuff, more storage house of fun. I know I move around pretty fast, but this is 2 minutes right here into it. Whoa, that was a little quick, wasn't it? Balance, 4-wheel alignment. Paint booth. All right, look at that. The sun's coming out, you guys. Sun's coming out. 61 degrees. Probably more than that right now. It's the time of the clock. 4:20. Oh yeah, time for a 4:20.